To change the opacity of object text in Webflow, start by searching for Webflow in your web browser and clicking on the first option. Webflow.com. Log into your account by filling out the required email and password information. Once you have access to your account, navigate to the All Sites section and hover over the desired site with your mouse to reveal the Open Designer button. Click on this button to be taken to the website designer interface. Here, you will see various options, including the ability to add text. To do so, add some basic text, which will give you access to the style settings. Scroll down to the Effects tab, where you can adjust the opacity of the text. As you change the opacity, you will see the text disappear and reappear. With these steps, you can easily modify the opacity of object text in Webflow.